Alright guys, what is up? So if you remember a few weeks ago, I jacked the Aristo's battery for the Supra. Pretty much just been daily driving the Supra ever since then. Another issue that I found on the Aristo is this tire is actually pretty much close to flat. It's leaking a lot. There's a bunch of cracks in the tread. I'll explain why later. This will save you guys a lot of money on tires in the future and just prevent this from happening to you. So I did manage to source another battery. This one's off of a Highlander, I believe. But yeah, it's brand new, never been used. It still has the caps on the terminals. When we get to the shop, I have a new set of tires waiting to go on this Aristo. Last on, first off. This is because the negative terminal is connected to chassis, so if you have the negative terminal on and the positive terminal touches anywhere on the chassis, then you're gonna get some sparks, and that's not good. Oh, I miss it in here. Nice, it's a good sign. Oh. Good shit. Alright, now since this hasn't been ran for a few weeks, I'm just gonna let it warm up. These tires are pretty fucked. Basically, this is what you want to look for. So these tires were made in the 26th week of 2006. And I'm pretty sure it's 2018. So that means these tires are 12 years old. They have cracks in between the treads. This one's actually like probably 80% flat, and I drove on it here, so yeah. My new tires are much better condition, good tread life left. A little bit of camber wear, but that's fine, we can deal with that. Oh, what is that? It looks like a puncture. Nah, we look good. Michelin Pilot Super Sports 235 35 ZR19, and as you can see, these ones are from the 45th week of 2013. So yeah, these tires are much newer, much better condition, and these will actually last. You can even see on these tires though, like, just look how gross they look. They're just dried out. So bland and pale looking. These tires are definitely past their lifespan. Next time you go buy tires, definitely check the date of them and make sure that they are less than 10 years old. So these ones, you can just tell by looking at them, they have a lot of life left in them. And they'll be mint on the stance daily.
And then like, we'll just put a Lowcals banner on it and take it off. Yeah.
Yo, once again guys, shout out to Whistler Wheels for hooking me up with these wheels. Remember, Lowcals 15 for 15% off, and you can get a set like this, or this, or those, or that. Charles used to have red center caps in these wheels, but he said that they were a little bit too, like, it drew all the attention to the center of the wheel and it took away from the rest of the car. So we decided to trade center caps. I'm gonna be rocking the red ones on this car. Sorry Steven, I know you said they were only for the SK1s, but we're gonna mix it up a bit here. This is what it'll look like. I don't know if I like that actually. You're like Rudolph Red-Nosed Reindeer type of thing?
Oh, I feel like it would suit the car nicely.
Hot boy? Hot boy.
Okay, that's not bad actually. What do you think of that?
Aristo.
Okay, that's pretty sick actually. I actually like that look a lot. Definitely matches the rear taillights, and then also this little dot and the Lowcals sticker. Fuck yeah. Alright, and while I was doing this, I was inspired by Charles's piece. So I'm gonna be making an infamous design rear valence for this car. I was always unhappy with how stock it looked, so this will widen out the rear a bit, and then the plan is to come back here with a sort of rear lip. So I'm just gonna be building that now. Infamous, baby.
So much easier to make.
Alright, rolling out to Menace right now. The rear valences are done. I think they look pretty sick, personally. I adjusted the exposure just to show you guys here, but yeah, so pretty sick. We're gonna go wash now. They're very subtle. They just poke out a little bit, so it's like a DIY wide body kind of thing in the rear. Just brings it down at the back, and in my opinion, makes it look a lot more aggressive at the rear. I like it a lot. Thanks for watching. Peace, guys. See you next time. Hope you enjoyed the video. Goodbye.